See here, the second variety of problem here we are dealing. A can do a piece of work in 8 days, B can do it in 10 days, C can do it in 20 days. If all of them works together, then how many days they take to complete the task? See, A takes 8 days, A takes 8 days, B takes 10 days and C takes 20 days to do the task. So, what is the LCM here? LCM is 40 here. LCM for these three is 40. So, 20 2s are 40, 10 4 times 40, 8 5 times 40. So, altogether see here A is doing 40 toys, B is doing 40 toys, C is doing 40 toys. A is taking only 8 days to do that 40 toys, B is taking 10 days to do that 40 toys and C is taking 20 days to do that 40 toys. Means A is taking only 5, A is doing 5 toys per day, B is doing 4 toys per day and C is doing 2 toys per day. If all of them works together, that is 40 divided by 5 plus 4 plus 2, that is 40 divided by 9 plus 2 11. So, 11 3s are 33, 7 divided by 11. So, 3 7 by 11, option A is your right answer. See how easy it is to calculate. Okay, if you convert each and everything into efficiency, then directly you can solve the problem. Okay, so 5 toys per day, 4 toys per day and C takes 2 toys per day or C do 2 toys per day. If all of them works together, then 5 toys plus 4 toys plus 2 toys per day 11 toys. Then how many days it is required to do the 40 toys? That is 40 divided by 11, that is equal to 3 7 by 11. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay, let us move on to the next problem, problem number 6. A can complete 1/3 part of the work in 5 days, B can complete 2/5 part of the work in 10 days. In how many days both A and B together complete the work? Very simple. See here, 1/3 part of the work, the part of the work you consider it as X. To do that A is taking 5 days. To do that A is taking 5 days. So, A takes 15 days to do that work. A takes 15 days to do that work. Like that you consider for B, 2/5 part of the work B takes 10 days. Okay, B takes 10 days. Next, 2 5s are 10, 5 into 5 that is 25, 5 into 5 that is 25. So, B takes 25 days to do the task. B takes 25 days to do the task. So, now you got A 15 days, next B 25 days. If both of them works together, means what is the LCM between these two? That is 75. So, 25 3 times, 15 5 times. So, 75 divided by, both of them are working together, 5 plus 3. So, that is equal to 75 by 8. 8 9s are 72, 3 remainder. So, 9 3 by 8. Okay. So, 3 remainder, 9 3 by 8. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer for problem number 6. Problem number 7. See here, A and B can do a piece of work in 72 days. B and C can do it in 120 days. A and C can do it in 90 days. In how many days all the three together can do the work? See here, A plus B, next B plus C, next C plus A. If you have to consider all of them together, then it will be A plus B, next B plus C, next C plus A. You have to add. Means 2 of A plus B plus C you are going to get. See here, A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C. So, 2 of A plus B plus C you are going to get. So, now see here, A plus B 72 days, B plus C 120 days, C plus A or A plus C they take 90 days. Then what is the LCM? See here, LCM is 360. you have to learn how to calculate the LCM very fast. In our module called HCF and LCM, I had shown you how to calculate the LCM manually and easily. Okay, so you please use that concept. With the help of that concept, you try to calculate the LCM. So here LCM is 360. So 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36. Next 72 5s are 72 5s are means A and B both are doing 5 toys per day. B and C both are doing 3 toys per day, C and A both are doing 4 toys per day. Altogether A and B take 72 days to do 360 toys, B and C 120 days to do 360 toys, and C plus A they take 90 days to do 360 toys. If all of them works together, 360 divided by 5 plus 3 plus 4, that is 360 by 12. So, which is equal to 3, 12 3s are 36, 30. So, now I got 30 days. See, this 30 days is nothing but 2 into A plus B plus C, means double the efficiency only 30 days. But I want to calculate A plus B plus C, not 2 into A plus B plus C. Okay, 2 into A plus B plus C, double the efficiency, so 30 days, but A plus B plus C I want. So your efficiency is reducing by 2, your efficiency is reducing by 2, then time period will be equal to 30 into 2. See here 2 into A plus B plus C, but here A plus B plus C. So efficiency has become, see, 2 of A plus B plus C. So by 2 is equal to A plus B plus C. So your efficiency is half. Your efficiency is half. Then obviously time period will be 30 into 2 because inversely proportional. Inversely proportional of half is 2. So that is equal to 60. So your answer is 60 days. That is option C is the right answer. Your answer is 60 days. That is option C is the right answer. Very simple technique, very simple methodology. With the help of the LCM, you can solve these type of problems within 15 seconds. Max to max 15 seconds are required, not more than that. Problem number 8. A works twice as fast as B. If both of them can together finish a work in 4 days, then in how many days B alone can do it? Then in how many days B alone can do it? See here, this problem is related to the efficiency. Okay, A works twice as fast as B, means A is double the speed of B, means B takes double the time of A, then B takes double the time of A. So see here, if A takes x days, then B takes 2x days, then B takes 2x days. But now if both of them works together, they have to complete the task in 4 days. They have to complete the task in 4 days. So now A takes x days, A takes x days, and B takes 2x days. B takes 2x days. Then what is the LCM? 2x is the LCM. So how many times? 1 times, and this is 2 times. So 2x is the total number of toys that has to be prepared. So A takes x days to do the 2x toys and B takes 2x days to do the 2x toys. So per day A is taking 2 toys, or per day A is doing 2 toys and B is doing 1 toy. So now if both of them works together, so 2x divided by A 2 toys and B 1 toy, that is 2x by 3. So if both of them works together, they take 2x by 3 days, but they have given in the question that they are taking 4 days if both of them works together. So now 2 2s are 4, cross multiplication, x is equal to 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. X is equal to 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. So A x days, that is 6 days, B 2x days, so that is 2 into 6, that is 12 days. So our answer is 12 days. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. See here, with the help of LCM, we can easily solve. Okay, here they have given both of them are taking 4 days to complete the task. With the LCM, we got 2x by 3. With the LCM, we got 2x by 3. So 2x by 3 is the total number of days what they are taking to complete the task. So in the question they have given that is 4 days. So because both of them are equal, so we can cancel these two, and after cross multiplication I can end up with the answer 6. I can end up with the answer 6. Therefore B means 2 into x, B means 2 into x. So 2 into 6, that is 12. So option A is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 9. A is thrice as good as workman as B, and therefore is able to finish a job in 30 days less than B. Again they have given the question based on the efficiency. See here, A is going to complete the task 3 times faster than B, means B is taking 3 times more time than A, because both are inversely proportional to each other. So A is doing 3 times faster than B, so B is taking 3 times time more than A. So if A takes x time, then B is taking 3x time. But what they have given, therefore is able to finish a job in 30 days less than B. So B is taking 3x days, A is taking x days. So if you subtract, we are going to get 30 days less. We are going to get 30 days less. So 2x is equal to 30, therefore x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. Now, how many days will they take to finish the job if they work together? So A, that is x days, that is 15. Next B, that is 3x days, that is equal to 3 into 15, that is equal to 45. That is equal to 45. Now, what is the LCM? 45 is the LCM, 1 time, 15 3s are 45, 3 time. So if both of them works together, that will be 45 divided by 3 plus 1. So which is equal to 45 by 4. 4 11s are 44, 1 remainder. So 11 1 by 4. Option C is the right answer. Okay, here based on this condition, we have identified the value of x. They have given that it is able to finish a job in 30 days less than B, means if B is taking 3x days, then A is doing the same task in x days. 30 days less than B means 3x minus x is equal to 30. So based on that condition, I calculated the value of x. Next, with the help of that one, I calculated the value of B also. Later on, I used the LCM concept and I have calculated. So here option C is the right answer. Okay, problem number 9, option C is the right answer. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 3 days. They started together, but after 2 days, B left the work. If work is completed after 2 more days, then B alone could do the work in how many days? One more variety problem. See here, in these type of variety of the problems, one thing you have to consider always, that at the end of the day, ultimately they are going to complete the task. At the end of the day, ultimately they are going to complete the task. If they are going to complete the task means it is nothing but 100% of the task they are going to complete. 100% of the task is nothing but it is 1. 100% is nothing but 1. 1 by 2, 50%. 1, 100%. 3 by 4, 75%. 2, 200%. 5, 500%. Okay. So at the end of the day, they are going to do 100% task. Means that is 1. Now, A and B, see here, A and B, they are taking 3 days to complete a task. Then per day, it will be 1 by 3. Per day, it will be 1 by 3. Like that, for how many days they are working? They are working for 2 days. So, they are working for 2 days, then it will be 2 by 3. It will be 2 by 3. So, for the first 2 days, 2/3 of the work is already completed. 2/3 of the work is already completed. Then, how much part of the work is remaining? See here, what is the difference between the numerator and the denominator? That is 1. So, 1/3 part of the work is remaining. So this one part of the work is done by A, that in 2 days. Okay, this 1/3 part of the work is done by A, that is 2 days. So 1/3 of the total number of days what A takes, that is 2 days. See here, total number of days we don't know, but for 1/3 part of the work he is taking 2 days. 1/3 part of the total work he is taking 2 days, because 1/3 is the part of the work which is remaining, that is completed in 2 more days. That is completed in 2 more days. So 1/3 of the total number of days is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 6 days. Means A takes 6 days. But what they are asking? How much time B alone could take? Okay, how much time B alone could take? See here, very simple, very simple. A and B 3 days, A alone 6 days, A alone 6 days. LCM is 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So 6 toys has to be prepared at the end of the day. So 2 minus 1, that is equal to 6 by 1, that is equal to 6 days. So altogether he takes 6 days to complete the task. So one thing always you have to remember, at the end of the day he is going to do 100% of the work. Okay, 100% of the work, that is represented by 1. Next, per day he is going to do 1/3, means if both of them works together they are going to complete the work 1/3 in a single day, because they are taking 3 days to do the task. But they are working together for 2 days, so into 2, so it will be 2/3. So in 2 days they have completed 2/3 of the work, that is 2/3 of the work. Then how much part of the work is remaining? You take the difference of numerator and denominator, that is 1/3. So 1/3 part of the work is remaining, that is done by A, because see here, but after 2 days B left the work. So 1/3 part of the work is done by A. So total number of days what A take, that we don't know, but 1/3 of the work is done by A in 2 days. So 1/3 of the total days, that is 2 days. Okay, so 1/3 of x is equal to 2 days, therefore x is equal to 6 days, that is the time taken by A. So now we have to calculate B. We know A and B they take 3 days and A takes 6 days. Okay, LCM is 6, means 6 toys has to be manufactured. A and B, okay, 3 days they take to do 6 toys. A takes 6 days to do the 6 toys. So after taking the LCM, I got the answer as 6 at the end of the day. So here option B is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 11.